Hi, for this tutorial we're going to take a look at how to activate our WordPress tutorial hub with Feedburner, and this is going to make it so our RSS feeds on our WordPress page go automatically into our Feedburner RSS. So on the WordPress tutorial hub right now I am in my dashboard where I can edit my feed details, delete a feed, or transfer a feed. It also has options for me to analyze, which gives us all of our statistics, optimize, to help it look good and to make sure that it's giving you back the information that you need. Publicize, and this is how you'll start attracting some subscribers. Monetize, and this is how you can get Google AdSense for your feeds, and then choose your options on how to control the ads that go into your feed, and troubleshootize. But let's go ahead and look at Edit Feed Details. So I'm just going to click on My Feeds. That will take me to a list of my feeds, and the only one that I have right now is WordPress Tutorial Hub, and it doesn't have any subscribers. But I want to go ahead and get this set up so it's attached to my WordPress blog. I'm going to click on WordPress Tutorial Hub, and you're going to go into the screen for Integrate, and this will actually pop up after you've successfully updated your feed. And if you scroll down, you'll see that it has different options to put this through to Blogger, TypePad, WordPress, WordPress.com, MySpace, etc. And if we click on any of these, it tells us how to go ahead and install this option on your blogs or WordPress feed. So I'm going to click on Publicize, and then I'm going to put what's called a chiclet on my website. And I'm going to click on where it says Posting a Friendly Graphic, and this is going to allow me to put a chiclet on my WordPress page so people can click on it and subscribe to my RSS feed. This is the standard one right now, or you can go ahead and use one of these custom icons from other popular websites. I'm just going to click on Subscribe in a Reader with the larger one, and then I'm going to click and copy all of the content. Then I'm going to come down, right-click in the box, click Select All, right-click again, and hit Copy. And then I'm going to go into my WordPress page, and I'm going to copy this into my WordPress page. I'm going to go into my dashboard, and that's in WordPress. I'm going to go into Appearance, into Widgets, and I'm going to scroll down until I find the text widget. I'm going to open up Footer Area 1. I'm going to go down to Text over in my inactive or unused icons, and I'm going to drop this into Footer Area 1. And then I'm going to right-click and paste my HTML from my Feedburner, and I'm going to title it and click Save. I'm going to go into my WordPress page and see where it comes up. And there it is, right underneath my testimonials where I put it in the bottom. Read my rants, and if they click here, they can subscribe to my feed. Now let's go back into our WordPress dashboard, go into Plugins, and then click on Add New, and we're going to look for the Feedburner plugin. And click on Search Plugins. Now if you don't want to go ahead and use the Feedburner chiclet, you can also come in and use the Feedburner form, Feedburner Everywhere, or any of these. Any of these plugins can be used for people to subscribe to your RSS feed, and they have other options as well that you can read in their description. So now every time I go into my WordPress tutorial hub and I go into my blog and I go into New and Post, I can go ahead and type something in that will pop up in my Feedburner account. I'm going to go into my blog, and right here, this is for my Feedburner site. It shows my recent posts, and if I go into Feedburner, and now I've gone onto the address for my WordPress Tutorial Hub Feedburner site, and sure enough, there it is, my first RSS feed entry. This is my Feedburner site. And it actually also pulled the one before that as well, even though that was before when I actually set up this Feedburner. So this is really cool. It's a way to get good backlinks to your own WordPress site and to really get your words out there. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you at the next one.